Okay, we're going to be doing some trimming for a bleaching tray trim. And I just wanted to give a few examples of models that there was not enough stone. So when we go to trim it, we have the risk of breaking our model, which we don't want to do. So this one here for a maxillary, you can see how thin it is. And so the material was really runny when it was done. And then we also have two samples of lower arches that, if you just look at them, they're just really thin. So in order to get this trimmed for a bleaching tray, again, you run the risk of breaking it, which is not what we want to do. So here we're going to start with our maxillary. Look how nice, we have a nice big base on it, and it's just enough to hang on to it so we can get our really clean bleaching tray trim. And again, here's our mandibular. Again, we've got, a good almost an inch down here. So those are some good samples. We're actually going to start with trimming the maxillary. For trimming, we need to make sure that we have a mask on and our safety glasses, our water is on, and I'm going to go ahead and start up the trimmer. So the first thing we want to do is to get a flat back here. So I'm just going to go in and you're going to hold it. You need to hold it firmly, but the base has always got to be on the base of the trimmer here. And I'm going to go straight into the back here. Okay. There we go. That's about all we want to do right there. See, we have this nice big horseshoe. And that's good for a bleaching tray for the maxillary. Now we're going to quickly do the mandibular. Same thing. I'm going to make it flat on the back here. I got so quickly. Now it's going to sit up. I actually going to try to do this first. Reduce it down. Okay, now we're going to get it. I'm kind of leaning into it. getting there. Again, we got to get rid of this inside. There we go. There'd be our bleaching trays. We got a nice little horseshoe. We've got, you know, about a ½ inch or less here, which is good. They're not rocking. So there we go.